Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about the overview of the private clients portal. Currently, we are on the A2Z AMC landing page. When you scroll down, you will see about the system, how it works, and all the other details. If you want to see the resources, like how you can view these training series videos, we have to navigate towards the resources page. So moving back to the main landing page, to see the dashboard of the portal, you have to click on this dashboard button and it will navigate you to the dashboard. So this is where basically you will see all the recent appraisal orders, the total number of appraisal orders that are active, have been completed, or are on the pending status. On the right side of the menu bar, you can see there is an appraisal orders page. If you click on this one, you will see over here, it is the page where all the appraisal orders that have been in any of the state will be listed over here. And you can create a new appraisal order by clicking on this button. We will have all separate videos in detail for each of these sections. Then moving towards the notification panel, you will see over here all the notifications that are generated from the system of the appraisal order, the activities, and all the other details. Lastly, we have the profile page. Over here, you can see that it has all your personal information, your address details, the details such as the client details, and all the other documents that you have uploaded, and you can change your password. So these are basically the details that you have provided at the time of the registration of your account. So you can change those details, or if you want to update any of the information, you can update it from here. On this side, we have the notification panel. You can see that it has all the alert messages. To move back towards the landing page, you have to click over here and it will take you back towards the landing page. And over here, you have to click on the dashboard and it will take you back. To log out, you have to click on this log out button and it will navigate you back towards the login page. So that's all for today's video. We will have a detailed video on each of these sections. Thank you for watching.